Hello all! Today I have here very special shipment from Germany. I am so excited and I was impatient for 1 week. I was waiting for this package. Inside of this box is wooden kit for SVD Dragunov. So I'm very excited how it looks. So let's take to unbox this box. You can see my tactical kitchen knife and we can try to look inside. One thing that German guys didn't write on this package my phone number, so I have to call the guy who gave me this package. So we will see what is inside, but finally he's here. I am trying to do it with one hand because in another hand I have cell phone. It's not very comfortable, but we will see. Now it's packed. Okay, a lot of paper. It's from shop Kotte und Zeller. I have some coupon. It looks like sushi, but I don't know if it's useful here in Slovakia. There are some papers. Notebook is not important. The most important thing is inside. So in this paper it's nothing. Also in this you can see a lot of paper. Another paper. Oh yeah! So here's the smaller box. Eagle Force SVD wood kit. Wooden handguard and stock with beautiful fining, suitable for King Arms, Atos and ANK Air Cooking SVD. Weight 640 grams. And material real wood. So let's take inside. I have cut this nice sticker. Super! What is this? It's maybe installation guide. Nice. Screws. 5 screws. And let's take a look. Nice box. Nice packed. It couldn't happen nothing to this. Very nice color. It's almost like on the pictures. It looks somehow like this. It's one piece. Another pieces for SVD are from 2 pieces, but this one is from 1 piece. It's very nice. I'm very happy for this. Great. Totally great. Perfect. I hope that it will fit on my SVD because I am so unlucky guy that everything what I buy doesn't fit. But this one I hope it will fit. And stock. I could really nice. Let's see. It's like rose wood. Very nice. Very nice. Also I am happy that thread here is solved like this, because I was a little bit afraid if it would just wooden holes, but it's still perfect. Okay, this was unboxing SVD wooden kit from Kote and Zeller. This one shop. It looks very nice, and let's see how it will look on my SVD. So you can click on my another video where is review of A&K SVD Dragunov, and you will see how it looks. Goodbye.